located at 265 Mountain Avenue, Springfield, New Jersey. At our store, you're going to find everything you need for all your airsoft and hobby needs. We're proud to be Union County's only airsoft and hobby store. We're even prouder to be yours. So if you're in the area, make sure you stop by, say hi, have an espresso with me, and check out the store.